Winter is here. And if you're considering an EV charging business, especially here in Canada, you've probably wondered how the cold weather might affect your chargers and your customers. Today, we'll be looking at the unique challenges that an EV charging business faces in cold weather. But more importantly, we'll talk about how to solve them. After this video, you'll know exactly what to look out for so winter doesn't get in between you and your profits. I'll also include a little bonus tip at the end on how to use cold weather to your advantage to help promote your business that I haven't seen anyone else do yet. All right, let's do it. Okay, first, let's talk about why cold weather is such a big deal for EV charging. And the main one has to do with the battery. Simply put, EV batteries take longer to charge when it's cold. And this is because most EVs use lithium ion batteries, and lithium ion batteries are full of liquid electrolytes. So when they get cold, they start to harden and it's harder for them to receive the charge. Another thing that cold weather does is make life harder on the physical chargers. Snow, ice, and freezing temperatures can damage the hardware over time. So when it comes to your business, here are the top 3 challenges that you may face in cold weather. The first one is reliability. Freezing temperatures can cause hardware malfunctions, and frozen cables and unresponsive screens on the chargers may be something you have to deal with and can also frustrate customers. The second one has to do with customer experience. When it's cold, drivers often need to spend more time to charge, which also means longer wait times. And this can also be frustrating. And the third one has to do with maintenance costs, which cost money. For the business owner, dealing with snow can dig into your profits. Like snow removal, ice buildup, and repairs can cost a little bit extra to deal with. All right, so if those are our problems, what are our solutions? Here's how you can winterproof your EV business. So the first one, we're just going to call winterize. So you want to make sure that you're installing EV chargers that are able to handle those extreme temperatures. Most of them are able to handle very cold weather, but there are a few other things you can do. You could also use weatherproof enclosures like roof coverings or awnings to protect the charging area. There are actually a few companies that make heated cables to prevent them from freezing, but unless you're in very extreme temperatures for most parts of the year, like I don't know, maybe in Alaska, then I'm not sure if those will be absolutely necessary. But what is necessary though is customer comfort. To take it even one step further, you could provide little areas that are heated where people can leave their car and go and hang out for a while. You could even offer hot chocolate or maybe coffee, just a warm place to hang out, watch TV, and relax while your car is charging. And the third solution is to plan ahead. You know the old saying, if you fail to plan, then you're planning to fail. So having a snow and ice removal plan set in place ahead of time could make a really big difference. Also, scheduling regular maintenance checks, especially during peak winter months, is also a good idea. And make sure to monitor chargers remotely to quickly address any malfunctions. You'll be able to see everything through the apps because nothing's more frustrating for a driver than pulling up at a charging station that doesn't work, especially when it's freezing cold outside. So making sure your chargers are reliable will be a big piece that separates you from your competition. Okay, a little bonus tip is you could actually market your charging business as winter ready. You could take the challenge and flip it into an opportunity. Use it as a marketing tool. If you live in a cold area and you know charging in the snow is a valid fear that people have, then you could actually promote your business as winter ready or winterized to put customers' minds at ease. Your location will then be top of mind when it comes time to charge in the winter. You can absolutely use this to your advantage and highlight that your chargers are built to handle the cold. You could advertise this and use it as a competitive edge to attract more drivers. I'm curious to know if you've had any experiences charging in the snow. If so, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you're wondering who I am, my name's Trevor and I helped launch 2 successful EV charging startups, and now I make videos on how it works. And I'd love it if you were to subscribe to the channel and keep following the journey. I really appreciate you checking in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.